Forgot your home or office Wi-Fi password? Don't worry. You can look up your current network password as well as previously connected Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. It is easy to view and share your Wi-Fi password. In this video, I'll show you how to view your Wi-Fi password and copy and share it with your loved ones. So let's begin. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tapping on Wi-Fi. Over here, tap on the information icon denoted I letter next to connected Wi-Fi. So you get a screen that looks like this. Now tap on the password. When viewing any Wi-Fi password, you'll need to use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. Cool. So now you can click the copy option to copy it and share it. So you can paste this copied password and save it in your notes. How do you feel? Please comment below. Here is not over. Wait, I will show you how to look up the password history of previously connected Wi-Fi networks. So open the Settings app and click on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the Edit button paper on the top right corner. So over here, all known Wi-Fi networks appear. You can see that some networks have a lock icon, which means you need your iPhone password to move next to that specific network. Tap on the eye icon next to a specific Wi-Fi name and then click Password, which will reveal the password. To copy it, click on Copy to copy and share to your other devices. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was about viewing, copying, and sharing the Wi-Fi passwords on any iPhone. Thanks for watching.